What's behind door number 1?
Renovation reviews and tenant shopping. That's today's video. Back up in Hagerstown today, checking on the 4-unit on the renovation updates. How do I open this gate? There's the button. Checking on the siding update, and we got a bunch of people lined up to come take a look at this thing because it is now back on the market. Unit 4 is. So let's go take a look at the siding, and then we're gonna show this property and find a new tenant. Oh, this is looking awesome. Really like the way this is coming out. Guess they still got more to do, clearly, but most of it is up. Gosh, this looks so good. Really brought the building up to snuff. Really took the aging off of it. Wow, this looks great. Behind door number 1. A renovated but not cleaned apartment. So looks like my contractor got everything done, but has not cleaned up yet, which is not good because I'm here to show this place and it is a mess. But all of the trash is gone, so, you know, beggars can't be choosers. And they fixed this patch in the bathroom here. Yes, they fixed the wall. That's a good thing. So everything's fixed. It's just not clean, and I hate showing a place that still has construction mess everywhere, but apparently I don't have a choice on that today. So far we've had one person through. They liked it and they requested an application, so hopefully we will get that through this weekend, and maybe we only need one. I don't know. I set up 6 people to come between noon and 1 o'clock. So far we've had one guy show up and he was on time, so we'll see if anybody else shows up and see if we can't get this thing rented today. We did not have the best turnout today. Only had one guy show up out of the 6 that were scheduled. I did call to follow with one. They're like, yep, we're on our way. 10 minutes later called and like, sorry, we can't make it. Totally heard the TV on in the background. It is what it is. Now we're off to the hardware store to pick up a few more supplies, a couple little things that I noticed in here, and then we are off to go show another property. Update. Just finished showing the top unit over on South Potomac. The tenant loved it. And that's one of my current tenants over here on Bethel. Loved it. Not quite ready to make a decision. Wants to talk to the family, blah, 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 all those things. So now I'm over here on Bethel getting ready to meet a prospective replacement tenant. So if all works, I'm going to move this tenant over to South Potomac and move the new people in here on Bethel. So we're going to look here, and then I'm going to take these same people back over to South Potomac because I'm here and they want to take a look at it too. So either way, I think something should work from this, but this is it's really a chess game as a landlord that we try to play so we don't have any vacant units. Stay tuned. What a day. Just finished up here again at the 3-unit, showing it to the potential group that might be looking to rent it. And I think they like this space even better than the house over on Bethel. Still a whole lot of decision making to do, but I think it was a really good trip up here today. So we shall see. Stay tuned.